travelers, welcome to or welcome back to Traveling Beyond Boundaries. Today we are going to show you the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Newark, New Jersey. We have connecting rooms 421 and 423. So we're going to start off in 421, which is actually an accessible room. So come on in. There's a lower porthole, whatever you call it, door, peephole. Nice wide door into the bathroom with accessible rails. Looks like a good amount of counter space to get a wheelchair under, and a completely walk-in, roll-in shower.
That's big.
With a stool or seat with a seat.
That's a really low top.
And then king size closet.
Closet.
King size bed. Nice big rooms. Mini fridge. Looks like there's some electrical. Nope. Yes, some weird outlet thing going on here. Not quite sure what that is. Oh, room service menu.
Yep.
And a king size bed.
Got lamps on both sides, each with electrical outlets.
Yep. Very similar to the Fairfield Inn and Suites that we stayed in Lethbridge, Alberta. But yeah, we have a connecting room. So we actually open the door. There's two doors, so that way both parties have to consent to the opening of the doors. This is the regular size room. So as you can see, the countertop is not accessible to get under. The toilet is kind of in the corner, not accessible, no rails or anything like that. And we have a tub.
It's low though. Like I feel like that goes under.
Very low tub. Yeah. Which is good for stepping in and out of.
Yeah.
It's low.
Huh.
So, because I'm sharing this room with my brother and my parents are sharing the room together, we do have two separate beds, which we've never been in a room where the beds are on this side. So we'll have to figure out
how we want to do that.
How we want to do this.
Hey, Everest.
I think this bed will be fine.
Okay.
It'll be here, right? We'll kind of keep it the
Sure.
same kind of direction.
So one lamp, two plugs.
Kind of similar, a bit smaller, but also understandably so because we don't need to get a wheelchair in the non-wheelchair room.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice little view out there. Very smoggy today in July, but yeah, nice room. Closet's a little harder to access in this room, but yeah. Oh look what it says.
Good afternoon, Michelle.
It knows me because I'm a member. Anyway. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more tours of hotel rooms as we travel the world together. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys later. Bye, guys.